Hey guys, it's Paige from Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. We're coming back with another Red Friday. Red Friday is a way to show your deployed troops some support by wearing red on Friday, and here to tell us a little bit more is Kathleen.
Hi everybody, come in this Friday and get our Project 25 keychain. It's red, white, and blue, and it shows that you really care about our troops, and we're excited to be part of Desert Wind's Harley-Davidson Red Shirt Friday. So come get your free gift from Project 25.
Kathleen, tell us a little bit more about Project 25.
Project 25 is a collaboration between all of our East Valley cities to fight to end sex trafficking and sexual exploitation by 2025. We work with local law enforcement, community leaders, advocates, and we really want you to know that we've got an exciting event planned with Desert Winds. We're going to have our first annual Harley Ride for Respect in January 19th. We'll be starting out at Desert Winds Harley-Davidson, so keep posted so you can get some exciting updates on that. But we really just want you to know that we are coming together as a community to keep our community safe and to protect and respect our daughters, and we'd love to have you participate with us. So Project 25, Desert Winds, local law enforcement is the benefactor of all of this, so please become part of our project to end sexual exploitation by 2025. We need everybody. Thank you.